We're with viewers! He's so funny. Her reaction is so funny. We met some more viewers. Intro. What's your name?
Sick with it.
What's up guys, it's your boy Georgie, back to another video guys. It's day
I'm so tired. Guys, we met more viewers here on day 2. Oh my gosh, I look like a red tomato. Do you guys want to say something? Shout outs? Oh, you can see me. Oh my gosh, guys, it is not looking too bright for us today. We've lost all of our games. We have not won one game. You guys are so funny. We met more viewers, guys. Huh? What's your name? Loretta? Sorry? Jeannie. Loretta and Jeannie. We met some more viewers. What's your name?
Tuliana.
Tuliana?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a beautiful name. And yours? Sarah. Tara. It was so lovely to meet you girls. Shout out to Buddy all the way from Spotless Stadium. Bye who? Bye. What? Bye what? We're winning, we're winning! We're finally winning! Oh, so fun. These two guys are the funniest. Shout out to them too for being loyal supporters with us. Aussie busting out his Fobby moves. So the Ola moves.
Hi guys, shout out to my boys here, David from Stanga and Dan to Stella. Yay! Awesome.
Got the Tongan team here. Woohoo! Oh really? Thank you for watching. What's your name? Tana.
Good night today.
We met some viewers.
Wrong team.
wrong team. That's crazy. We just do a talk.
Oh, you want me?
I can take it for you guys. Do you have a...
No, everyone needs to know.
Oh.
Come take the photo.
Oh my gosh. We're with viewers.
Hey, what's up?
Hey guys. I'm Muslim.
Shout out to Motivate Sydney Cultural Arts Centre.
Yay.
Cultural Arts Centre in Sydney. Sharing our culture with everyone in Australia. So check us out. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. He's so funny. He's so funny. Her reaction is so funny. What's your name?
Oh, my name's
Mary?
Lyric.
Lyric? What a beautiful name. Any shout outs?
I was just hiding.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
She's so beautiful, guys.
Sick with it, crew.
Break it down.
Asa kong kaha ya kuway din yan nga.
Really?
This guy's so funny.
Na, asa kong kaha ya kuway din yan nga. Asa kong kaha ya.
Mashallah,
Now guys, we're going home now. Just finished the game, so we're going home, guys. So yeah, it's good to support our Monza 17 guys. So yeah. Hey. Bro. What's your name?
Welcome. Sunias and Sarah, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you. Shout out
to all the boys in Nashville, 2131, you know where you are.
Yeah.
Say hello to your wife.
Alright. Yeah.
I love you your show.
Thank you for coming up to us.
Oh, keep it up. I want more.
So thank you our subscribers for coming to meet us.
Shout out to all our subbies who came and said hello to us. You guys are loyal. And these two subbies, Elijah and Junior, for chilling with us all these 2 days.
I saw this last night.
Oh, did you?
I was like, Victoria.
Oh, was that you? We met some more viewers. Intro. What's your name?
Oh, my name's Ronald.
Ronald.
I'm Lina.
Lina.
Bunny.
Bunny. And together you're...
They're both handling you.
Oh.
Oh, there's so many of us. We literally watched you guys last night.
Oh, thank you.
I was like,
Sometimes we're a bit unsure because we don't want to be like, oh hey, and then you guys are like, who are you?
shout out to my uncle Danny, and shout out to Victoria. Hey, I love you guys.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Guys, my hair is like a little bit frizzy, but it's alright because we're gonna make it work, girl. It is like past 10 and we are in the Novotel Hotel, in Becca's hotel, but we're just waiting because there's something happening in there. So we just came to bring him some food and the clothes that we have prepared for his mama. Is this your bed, Becca? Oh, well, I'm sitting on it. Guys, so we are back at our hotel now and it has been such an eventful day. Walking around in heat and meeting a lot of you guys. I just want to give a massive shout out to each and every single one of you guys who came up and said hello, acknowledged us, took photos with us, and it's really nice to see faces of the people who watch us. But we're going to get some rest because we've got to get up super early to see Becca off. His flight is at 9, so I guess we've got to be there by 7. And we've got to wake up at 5 probably to get to the airport on time, because it is a working day, so everyone will be going to work, and we've also got to take everything in this room to the car. Even though it wasn't the result that we wanted for Samoa, but it's these times that we need to support our team the most, because if we don't support them, then who will? If we're just going to sit there and laugh at us, everyone else is already sitting there laughing at us, and if we join in, then who will support our boys? It's when times like this, when we lose and when we're not performing as good, is when we need to back them up 100% the most. They don't lose on purpose. They're not proud to lose. Those boys actually go out there and they play hard, and it's just not our day. Sometimes it just doesn't work out the way that we want it to work out. They don't lose on purpose, and they're not proud to. So everyone's irrelevant comments just brings it down even more. Sometimes I get frustrated, but I got to put myself in the shoes. Hey, if I was on that field, we definitely would be losing.
Shout out to all our friends who coming today and meet us there. So thank you so much for supporting us. And shout out to my little bra. Yeah.
Do you have a bra?
Just a little bra.
Are you wearing a bra?
Bra.
Are you wearing a bra?
You didn't know that because you ass is stinky ass.
Babe, bra came from Australia, so don't even.
Bra. Samoa.
No, bra. That's an Aussie slang.
No.
That's an Aussie slang.
No.
Oh.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, thanks for taking
Pleasure. Yeah. We love watching your video.
You want to say something on a...
Shout out to Joanna, who works for Air New Zealand, who watches our vlogs. Her and you and your husband, thank you so much for coming up to us at the airport, or not both of you, but you did, and told us that you guys watch our vlogs. Thank you so much for being an awesome supporter and for watching us. But shout out Joanna, thank you so much. Go Air New Zealand, yay!
For John Samuel and Jesse. Masi. Masanga, Joe.
Brother to brother, saying goodbye.
My boys.
Oh, see, your voice.
I'm not gonna block anymore.
Just, yeah.
Hey, move on now. I'm going to play for Manjamo.
Sad moments coming up ahead, guys, between two brothers. If I can give you one advice, never get in the way of two brothers.
Yeah, boys.
Do you have some last words to say? Thank you, everyone.
Hey, thank you, everyone, for supporting Ginny. Thank you for your coming once again. Cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you, Victoria, for coming to support me. Okay, see you. I'm going back to Samoa.
Are you sad, Aussie? Are you gonna cry?
My brother.
Okay, I'm sorry. I shouldn't be laughing, but you don't need to say it like that.
And we're still waiting here to wave our hands to them. They're just gonna walk inside here. And we're here with the snacky girl here.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we met. And I really wanted to take a photo of Alamanda Modunga, but I shy. And he walked past me, I was like, oh my god, I love Peta.
How come you put gun here in Ila? Only no point because that's why we're like I feel okay, only your own. And I feel sad.
Stop yelling at me, oh my gosh, you're really fighting.
That's my voice is too loud.
Oh my god, guys, we met more viewers. What was your name?
So, Becca, Jamie, Jojo, and Andrea.
And baby?
And baby.
Oh, any shout outs?
Just to the Sulaiman Simul family.
Oh, thank you so much, guys, for watching and for having the courage to come and say hello to us. Oh, were you? Oh, thank you so much. Hi, guys. So we've been home for about 10 hours now. I've just been editing a vlog. We've had a nap and just been chilling and relaxing before we're back at work tomorrow. We didn't vlog again after the airport because it was quite upsetting for Aussie especially, and because it's really hard for him being the only sibling out here and his whole family's in Samoa, and that's his little brother, you know. Like, even when Molly left the stadium that day, I mean, I can't believe I'm comparing it to this. But when Molly left me at the stadium that day one of the sevens, she went back to Canberra. Oh my god, I was like crying at the stadium because I missed her. So I can only imagine what Aussie is feeling, like his brother's going back home. But I just kept encouraging Aussie and telling him, you know, it's good that we gave him a good time. Like, Aussie, you were there every time he needed anything. You provided for him. Like, he left knowing that you love him so much and that you were there. Like, that's your brother, and, you know, just trying to encourage him and show him the positive side of it. And excuse my voice, it's so monotone, but I'm actually getting really sick. I've been sneezing, I've got a runny nose, and I'm feeling so lightheaded.
Thank you for coming along with us for our trip to Sydney. Tomorrow we're back again to work, so hopefully we get win for the Lodgers.
Aussie, as soon as we got home, Aussie was like, so if you're malo, which is like, I just want to win the lotto. I hate going on holidays and having that feeling like going back. It's like,
So shout out to my little bro, guys. It's going back to Samoa. I just miss him so much. You know, guys, when I leave the airport, I was so sad because I know him. I know him so much, guys. He's gonna be crying because...
Well, he didn't when we said goodbye, and Aussie just kept saying to me, when he goes through those doors, he's gonna start crying. And I was like, no, he's fine. He didn't look like it. Last year, it was an upsetting goodbye. But then this year, Aussie tried to hug him as quickly as he could. Aussie kept saying to me, oh, he's gonna cry in there, he's gonna cry. I was like, no, he's not, no, he's not. And then we were texting him tonight, and he said he was crying.
I know my little brother so much, guys. Even he lives, my family, my mom, he's gonna cry. Because he missed my mom. I know him so much, guys. So that's why I miss him so much. But thanks God for his protection on him. He arrived safely in Samoa, and he's happy now because he's gonna be with my family. Love you guys. Peace.